Coated Panther here, and as you can see, Owen is here and I am here, and that means we have a new cameraman. Right here we have a new, not new, but we found a microwave. So my last hammer we kind of bent it. So we bought these new rubber mallets. So yeah, let's start breaking this thing. Come up close to see that. Now that is cool. Look inside, close that thing, then some more. Oh wow, alright, doing pretty good.
Here, let's get it back a bit.
Look at this.
Actually,
Here comes the glass. It's actually plastic. Looks like glass. Jeez! You broke it. Oh, hold on. It's kind of like a how-to video if you don't want to open your microwave again. So yeah, let's do this. I would like to hold on. Actually, I would like to put in popcorn to fry. I'll put in the numbers. Okay, it's doing pretty good. All right, it's done.
let's get this side. Try to hit in it.
Alright, here. Ow! That hurt. Wait, let's see how the mouse is doing. Mine's not doing so hot.
Mine's doing good.
Oh, actually, mine's okay. Oh, hold on. I think there's like a battery in here.
Let's find it.
I feel like it's gonna explode.
Through their mouths.
Yeah. No. Feel like it'll explode on us. Hold on, alright. Hold on. Here.
Here. Hey, you want us to move it?
Yeah, if there's somewhere else you guys could go, that'd be great.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. Somebody wanted us to move.
Okay.
Well, that happened. Alright. My flip-flop just popped. Let's go. Sorry about that, guys. Somebody just asked us to move it. How about over there? Over there.
Cars.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I still can't hear it.
Dude, they're gonna hear it no matter what.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Sad was hitting right there. Okay, here.
There's nothing.
Alright, let's finish this bad off. Oh, okay. I feel like that's going to. Here, let's do this. Right. It's funny because there's usually pieces all over the place by now. let's look inside there. Could you get a little closer up right there?
Look, here's the timer.
Oh yeah, here's a timer. You know the timer usually annoys me.
Danger high voltage.
Don't hit that though. No.
Just hit it. Doesn't do anything.
Okay. All right. Let's. Okay. All right. Let's find some kind of. Oh, look at that. Right there. You're gonna have to pick this up though. Here, actually, hold on. Let's. I don't really like this store. It's kind of ugly. Hold on. All right. Watch it. We're almost done here. Alright, hold on. You want to just finish this off? And then we'll be done? One more each. Okay. Alright. Alright, finish it off. You want to throw it off? Okay. And as always, people can only do this. So we have to kind of
Burn it.
Alright, remember guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to rate 1 to 10 how much we did. Make sure to subscribe for more of these videos. Like and comment down below once again. Thanks for watching. This is Zavolin and XX Panther signing out. Peace.